the last day of the Isla Harris Photography Workshop, and it's been a really wonderful week. We're sitting here on Saleybost at the moment, and there is this beautiful soft light and everybody's having an amazing time. We've given them a few hours down here because it's really nice to take that time to just slow down and really connect to the place. So to have that little bit longer on these locations. So this week we have had some amazing trips out to the south of Harris, where we've had some lovely early morning light. We've had some real changeability of weather this week. It is November after all, but we've had some beautiful early morning soft light and low winds, contrasted by the more wild, dramatic weather that's come in on some of the beaches. We've also taken a trip up to Lewes and had a beautiful day on the more rugged beaches, followed by a lovely outdoor pizza experience, which was quite unique for everybody. It was probably one of the highlights. And finally, one of the other highlights of the week has been managing to get out for the Northern Lights, which came out unexpectedly. We all got down to the beach and everybody managed to capture images of the Northern Lights, but also of the Milky Way as well. So that was a real bonus, and everybody was really delighted. So overall, it's been an amazing week and everybody's really bonded together. We've had some amazing experiences together and taken some beautiful photographs.